In Santa Cruz County, a recent report from the grand jury finding that behavioral health fails to meet certain standards as a result of poor resources and inadequate reporting to South County. KION's Brianna Mathaw tonight explains more for us. Brianna?
And now the report says there just aren't enough healthcare providers in the county. But another challenge on top of that is the high cost of living. A recent report from the Santa Cruz County grand jury says behavioral health services are, quote, inadequate for the area. Demands for mental health services has gone up since the pandemic and the growing homeless crisis, not to mention a mental health staffing shortage statewide.
We're providing training, supervision, the opportunity to work directly with clients. So that way we're supporting students to seek a career in the behavioral health realm.
The report finds people living in the 95076 zip code are often transferring to other areas for treatment at a higher rate than others.
I've had parents call me saying, you know, my kid is halfway across the state in Sonoma, and it's hard for us to visit because we don't have vehicles. And so we have a high number of cases where we have patients that are transferred to another county.
Many of the statistics in the report highlights what the grand jury is calling a disturbing reality and the county's attempts to provide proper mental health services. County Supervisor Felipe Hernandez says the budget for these services need to reflect the diverse community he serves.
We're going through this process, making sure that we hire people that are bicultural, Spanish-speaking, of course, because that's who the majority of this community represents.
Now, once approved, the grand jury believes that it will reduce the behavioral health care and mental health services in the long run. Reporting in Santa Cruz, Brianna Mathaw, KION News, Channel 46.
Thank you, Brianna. Now, the Santa Cruz County Board of Supervisors, they have until September 9th and August 12th to respond to that grand jury report.